Hello friends, today I want to detail how to install an odometer blocker on a Volvo. Let's get straight to the point. Here we have the odometer blocker in the box. We have the A and B cables. We're going to test them both. Software module with flashlight, blind plug for easy device deactivation, and user manual, as well as some screws and plastic tools for easy removal of dashboard covers. As we know, the blocker is installed on the speedometer in place of the main cable, so we have to remove the plastic covers around the speedometer and the speedometer itself. The speedometer is removed. We also have the main cable here. Take cable A and connect one end to the speedometer main cable and the other end to the software module. After that, the flashlight will turn on instantly on the module. If it doesn't, you have to unplug and plug it back in several times until the flashlight turns on. Now let's do a small test drive and test cable A. The downside of this cable is that the trip meter does not reset and we cannot see the dashes. We tested cable A. And now let's test cable B. As you can see, connect it to the main cable and connect the other side to the software module. If the flashlight does not turn on, we repeat the same thing this time. Unplug and connect until the flashlight turns on. So, the device is turned on and we are moving, as you can see, the dashes on the trip meter. Everything is in order. Here is a little information about the smartphone app. With it, you can easily control the blocker. Let's launch the application, connect via Bluetooth, enter any name you want. Here, we can convert mileage to kilometers. In the mode section, this time we have only one mode, that is mode 1, in which the odometer counter is completely stopped. Good luck, guys.